Hey, welcome. Felix here. I have found the strangest fetish online.
Somebody once told me the world is going round.
Sneezing videos. That's right, everybody. Sneezing videos is sweeping the nations. Is your kid watching sneezing videos on YouTube? You better watch out. YouTube is a dangerous place. Apparently, it's really popular. Really, really popular. So popular that from now on, big announcement, I have become a sneezing channel. Let's look at some sneezing people. Holy shit, that's a lot of sneezes. How does she do it?
Ugh.
Incredible. How does she do that thing with her nose? I've never seen anything like it. You can follow her on Instagram, SneezeGirl143. SneezeGirl143. How do you come up with that? I'm gonna be Sneeze Girl. Ah, shit, it was taken. It's private. Come on, man. Come on, I need to see them sneezes. Now, the favorite part of these sneezing videos is the comments. They're absolutely fucked up. Nuts, but horribly, horribly hot. No name, but very, very pretty. Awesome sneezes. Really sexy. Rick Sanders. He just liked a couple videos. He liked this one and another sneezing one. All his liked videos are related to sneezing and allergies. 10 hours of sneezing? This is weird, dude. This guy is weird. What the fuck is this?
What the fuck? Chew.
What the fuck? That's her 154th sneeze. What? Are these cam girls? I like apologetic sneezers. What's the most viewed sneeze? Beautiful girls quadruple sneeze. My god, must see this.
Play of the game.
I love this one because it's just a guy trying to play a guitar, but he keeps sneezing. And he's just getting genuinely pissed off about it. He's so pissed. He just gave up. Sneezing can change lives. It's not just a fetish, but it's also a fetish. Bless you for all your sneezes, handsome. Cute sneezes, by the way. Even girls like sneezes. What? What has happened to the world? Please make shirtless sneeze. Can you make a shirtless sneeze, please? So hot. Bless you, you are so handsome. Are you telling me right now that all I have to do is sneeze and women will like me? My declining female demographic will finally return if I sneeze? Well, the choice is obvious. I need to figure out how to sneeze on demand. Bah! Was that cute? Did that seem real? Wait, what? What is that? What is that? PewDiePie sneeze compilation. What the? 10,000 views! You can thank me later! There's 2 of them! I gotta sneeze. Yeah. Holy shit, these are like super old videos. I love Cannon. Okay, sorry. These are so old!
How old are you?
What?
Sorry.
Oh, Jesus! Make him find. I gotta sneeze. That one was cute. How do they find all these? They must go through like so much fucking videos. So many videos. I have thousands of videos. I kind of want that on my soundboard. Wait, Jack has one? What the fuck? Nailed it! I bet I have way cuter sneeze than Jack, by the way. Yeah, confirmed. The fuck was that?
Jesus, that sneeze almost killed me.
Lame. Wait, Ken has a fucking sneeze? Holy shit, a triple sneeze. Not bad, Ken. I may have a little bit of respect left for you after all. Wait, Cry? Cry has a... Does every fucking YouTuber ever has a sneezing compilation? Oh shit, it moved down there. It definitely moved down there.
What the hell is wrong with you?
I'd fuck that sneeze. I'd fuck it. I'd fuck it. Sorry, Mitzi, I'm over you now. Wait. You guys better not be perverts over Mitzi sneezing. No. No.
It will look decent after we put the little plants around
I
it.
can't wait. Don't worry, I will do it. Yes, now it's my chance.
No.
Even her sneeze is sexy. What? The fuck? Another. What the fuck is this channel? There's even a whole science around sneezing. I don't know if you guys realize this, but it's pretty interesting. Ew.
Excuse me.
I saw your hair blow back.
Did you?
Yeah.
That's a good cough. Let's break down Natasha's cough, shall we?
Where they're testing what's grosser, a sneeze or a cough. Ew!
Coughs project thousands of bacteria, up to 7 feet away, with a force that hits my face at 55 miles per hour. I can feel her phlegm drying on my giant forehead.
38.
38?
What does 38 mean? I'm kind of into that. I'd let girls sneeze on me. Sorry, Mitzi, I don't watch this video much. I would let girls sneeze on me, please. This video has converted me. Alright, how much is in the sneeze?
This is a weird show.
No, what's weirder is reacting to this shit.
45.
45? Let's get her to a hospital.
Ew, sneezing is gross. Get this right, you perverts. And stop looking at my girlfriend sneezing. I don't like it.
What the fuck?
That's right. That's right, Daddy of 5. You're so right. So if you ever have to sneeze in public, here's what you do.
The Dracula Sneeze.
No, it's a dab. It's a dab.
So if you're spreading germs sneezing, even when covering your mouth, and sneezing into your elbow, is there anything you can do? Grab a tissue. Believe it or not, with Marcus sneezing right into the tissue, we found nothing getting through. Nothing.
Well, I still stand by the dab sneeze. That's cool. If you ever gotta sneeze, just... Wait, what? 12-year-old sneezes 12,000 times per day. There's always some weird fetish here.
12-year-old girl who can't stop sneezing. She sneezes about, are you ready for this, 12,000 times per day. Gio Benitez has her story for us.
Holy shit. Are you kidding me?
For 12-year-old Caitlin Thornley, this sound has become painfully familiar.
Whoa! Whoa! Ho! Ho! Ho!
Weeks ago, Caitlin began sneezing, and she hasn't stopped.
I was walking out of a
I feel bad for her.
clarinet lesson. All of a sudden, it kind of started in just like little spurts. You know, it was like just a few sneezes here and there, but by the time I went to bed, I'd sneezed 30 times that night.
Caitlin now averaging about 20 sneezes per minute.
What?
I can control it sometimes, but it's really painful.
And so far, doctors at Texas Children's Hospital in Houston haven't been able to figure out exactly what is causing the uncontrollable sneezing. Referring to the condition
whoa, 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 whoa,
as a tic.
whoa, 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 oh my God! So many sneezes! Well, I'm going to hell after I die, but she sounds like a spray blunt. Well, it's time for you now. I know. It's time to pull out the sneeze. I realize all I need to do is pull out a really good sneeze. I don't know if you noticed, but... Ow. They've all been fake sneezes. I know I can fake them really well, but let's do a genuine sneeze here together. Let's see if we can both do it together. I came prepared. I have one of these. I'm going to stick it up my, no, wait, my nose. Hey, yeah, boy! Yes! Yes! I did it! The views! They're all gonna come back! Hell yeah, motherfucker! Thank you for watching this video! Leave a like! And if you enjoyed watching, please don't and appropriate!
Subscribe.